Good morning. Yan fam, we miss you. It's been a while. Panibagong araw. Ha?
New vlog.
New vlog. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman. Summertime is here. So we are going sa beach. First, how can you say? First time beach. Oh, first time beach this year. So we are with the kids. Noah and Dylan, they're still sleeping in the back. Kasi sobrang aga, it's 6:30 in the morning. Pero may araw na. It's the sun is very early, 5 o'clock Jago solid. It's very summer feeling. Maaga kami ngayon kasi we have to go in the beach, in the sand beach, and hope to find the parking.
This time, I guess, yes.
This time, I hope yes, and it's Tuesday, yeah. So I believe you can be there. People are still working
or sleeping.
Pero guys, Sunday going to the beach, very difficult. You have to go like very early, like 5 o'clock.
This time we find.
This time, yes, we will find. Yeah, so dito lang kayo pupunta, malapit lang sa amin yung beach. It's like 20 minutes from the house. And I hope one day we can go to a nicer beach.
We should go.
Huh?
Porto San Giorgio one day.
Where?
Porto San Giorgio.
Porto San Giorgio. Yeah, we can go Porto San Giorgio. We can go Sardinia.
But
Huh?
yeah, okay.
Boracay.
The same.
Boracay. Yeah. Etong beach namin dito is not bad, but it's just for relaxing with 2 kids. No. I hope. Yeah, so si Nancy prepared some breakfast already. Binaon namin, so we will just eat in the beach with the kids. She prepared some pancakes. Only pancakes?
It's for you. Bread is for the kids. Porridge is for me.
Porridge for Nancy, pancake for me. Yeah, bread for the kids. Yes, so yun, doon na kami mag-breakfast. Breakfast on the beach. Tama-tama, tulog pa yung mga bata. Kasi pag gumising yung mga bata, guys, we cannot prepare, you know, if they're awake, no? It's very difficult to prepare all the things because one is shouting, maybe crying.
We should have prepared yesterday, actually.
Yeah, but it's okay. I woke up Nancy around 5:20. So ngayon 6:30. Yeah. Like 1 hour we were preparing. Ito na kami, guys. Gising na. Walang tao. I think it's closed, the beach. There's nobody. Huh?
Let's go sleep.
Let's go, okay. Yeah, kasi day off ni Nancy ngayon, guys. It's Tuesday. Yung other people is still working. Oh. Echa. Cheche. Yeah. Aduh. Antok pa. Baby natin, antok pa. Alright. My phone. Ano po? Very nice, guys. So, early in the morning. Actually, magsa-7 pa lang. 7 in the morning. Yan yung free beach. Yan, free beach yan. Yan, may mga ano na yan, may mga payong. It's yung may mga bayad yan, monthly ang ano dyan. It's not so Hey, mamanin. Ay, namanin na, bibo. Good morning. Good morning. Ay, morning. Ay, morning. Morning. Good morning. Sa beach tayo, beach.
Let's go.
Let's go, beach. Ang mga dala namin, beach toys,
Beach food.
beach food, beach clothes.
Beach umbrella.
Papalit ako ng sombrero. Ito galing pa ng Pilipinas to, regalo ng mga kapatid ko nung nagburakay kami last year. Yan. Ayan, Boracay pa itong suot ko. Meron na ako mga pang beach. Palit din ako ng sapatos, shoes to slippers. Ayan, para ano tayo, ha?
No, di lang. Wala ka dito siya kikipagod.
Yes. Ci abbiamo tutto. Oh, hindi makapaniwala si Noah. Oh. Good day. And maraming parking, marami pang parking and wala pang tao. Meron lang isang senyore dun. Yan, oh. Where are you? Adyo. Oh. Na-freeze na to, oh. Ayaw gumalaw, oh. Ito.
Mama, vedi quello là blu? No, quell'altro. No, quello che sta di qua, quello che sta di là.
Itong bata na to. Oh.
Devo spruzzare, devo spalmare questa.
Ada.
Quello si può sporcare perché
Fra un po' qui passa un aereo. Fra un po' qui passa un aereo.
Ah?
Però mangiamo pure.
Mamma t'ha buttato
And remove the pampers. Oh. Ha? Dahil sa bulay nawa. Mag-set up muna ako ng payong. Okay.
Lascialo dentro, per favore, la puoi mettere dentro.
Okay. So ito yung aming first ever beach this year 2025. And later this year pupunta kami ng Kenya. Magbabakasyon kami sa Kenya with the family of Nancy. Qualcuno hungry? Yeah? Bit sand. Tanong ko kung malamig ang tubig. I check the water if it's cold or check muna natin ang tubig kung malamig o sakto lang. Maaga pa kasi baka malamig-lamig pa itong tubig natin. Yes, it's cold. Pa. Kalmado ang tubig, kalmado. Malamig tubig. Un po' freddo l'acqua. Freddo l'acqua. Abbiamo portato ball. Mamma mia. Okay. I think kailangan namin bumili nung yung folding bed para dito sa dagat kasi ano, pag may mga bata panay lakad dun sa taas ng sa panlatag kaya mabilis dumumi, so better siguro may ano tayo, maghahanap ako ng mura na folding bed na pwedeng madala dito sa beach. Ciao. Oh, Wi-Fi. Eddie. Hey. Wow. Breakfast muna kami ni Nancy. Habang si dalawang bata ay naglalaro pa. Oh, yun, dalawa sila naglalaro. What are you eating?
Asayi.
Asayi.
I'm jogging. It's porridge.
Porridge.
Purple porridge.
Okay, ito pancake pinipare ni Nancy with peanut butter. It's been after a very cold winter and long winter actually. Finally, maaraw na. Finally, nakapag-beach na tayo ulit. And but every day off ni Nancy, maybe we go to the beach once a week. No, there are times that we go every day. When is that year?
When I was pregnant with the
Dylan, yeah, 2021. Every day almost.
Not working.
And very quiet for now, the beach. Only Dylan and Almeno.
When the people will come, we actually go because the sun is too hot.
Yeah.
It's actually hot now. So, I mean, the rays pattern is sunny. Feel it, huh?
But for the kids, this sun, yung morning sun, it's better than the afternoon
Also
sun.
for us. Yeah, for everybody, this is the best sun. But I mean,
No favor.
the
No. No, it's already so dirty with the
Dylan, it's like a chicken.
Chicken.
It come with breadcrumbs. What do you say?
Chicken and orange.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. You like? Very good. Now I taste the pancake. And actually, if you don't know, guys, we are I'm going to the gym 3 times a week, and we are doing a diet with the nutritionist. So we are controlling every food
Not me,
na kinakain namin. Nancy needs to
no, I mean, it's not me,
gain
the nutritionist.
gain
It's
some
a
weight.
professional
Yeah.
one.
Needs to gain some weight. Ako okay naman ako, need to lose some weight, just a
The one that
little
you
bit.
lose, you give to me.
Yeah, but I'm going to the gym like 3 times a day now.
We cannot today.
3 times a week, yes. Yan o, tinan nyo yung bata na yun o. Ayun, ang bata. Sila na no.
There are only 2 people that came. They came next to us.
Yes, because they like kids.
If they complain about the kids, I would say we came here first. It's already 30 minutes waiting.
Yeah. No.
Kapalong.
See. Oh, what do you want? Hey. Okay. Tayo breakfast. na kami nandito sa beach. And enjoy naman. At ngayon medyo mainit na. Ayan, no? Marami ng tao. Oh. May mga tao na. Diba? Oh, mga tao na. Kami na yung tao sa Dylan. Oh. Wash na, Ken. Let's go home na.
Ho lavato. C'è una formichina. Anche la faccia?
Si, guarda. Guarda.
E anche la faccia.
Tuta.
Anche qui?
Si. Ay guys, uwi na kami kasi ano na. Mainit-init na mga bata. Baka ma-sunburn masyado.
Senza spaccato troppo.
Prepare na rin ng lunch. Okay. Dylan, let's go home, ha?
Yes.
Okay.
Metti qua dentro.
Okay, dito na kami sa bahay, guys. So, yung dalawang bata nakatulog sila pagdating namin. Yun. So, nag-aaral lang. Tapos ako nakatulog din. And, yun. Kakatapos lang mag-shower. Ayan.
Voglio vedere patatine fritte.
Lunchtime na.
Pizza e patatine.
Oh, lunchtime na. Nag-prepare si Nancy ng pasta for everybody.
La pizza.
Pasta for stasera la pizza. Ayan, pasta namin. Simple pasta. With peselli. Pesto. Yan. Alright. Okay. Kain muna tayo, guys. At mamaya pala mayroon kaming pedia visit with Noah. We go dun sa pinag-OJT-an ni Nancy. Kasi tapos na siya mag-OJT. Kukunin niya na lang yung certificate. No? Yun. Sobrang init, guys. Parang Pilipinas na ang dating. Yeah. Ito pala mga ano yan, no? Mga seeds ng Frutti di Bosco. Pizza. Kain muna tayo.
I've been waiting.
Okay, update. Kakatapos lang, kakauwi lang namin. Galing kami sa check up ni Noah sa pedia. Everything is okay naman at nag-grocery na rin kami. At ngayon dinner ba? Lunch already in the dinner subito. Nag-grocery kami ng some things for the diet, some healthy things. Coffee.
Actually, it's just coffee.
Coffee and some yogurts and tea, cold tea. Yeah, we want to try this cold tea. Yeah.
It's not actually for the diet.
Me, I have tea. I can take tea.
It's just to change the flavor of the. No, me too. I have tea, but I'm
It's
not
to change for the coffee.
I don't like the tea.
Yeah. Tapos, nagluto si Nancy ng chicken. It looks like chicken afritada, but it's not. It's with what's this? Pepperoni. And chicken legs. Yan. I think it's good. Yung dalawang bata, guys, is bagsak. Pagod today. After ng beach, nakatulog, kumain ng lunch, tapos nag-ikot. Nag-ikot kami. Grocery, pagod, bagsak. Yung dalawa. So kami lang muna magdi-dinner. Habang tulog.
Come on. I want to show you the dinner. How much bread I should eat. 70 grams, but this is 50 because I cannot eat.
Nancy needs to go up a bit the weight, but yeah. Ako naman less lang. Yan, kami lang dalawa ngayon. Magtulog yung mga bata. Maya siguro gigising na yun at tsaka sila mag-dinner. Yun. Alright guys. Okay, and the vlog here, quick vlog at update, quick update. Ano ba mga update natin? What's the update? Nancy finished the OJT. We went to the beach. We are on diet. Yeah, we are on diet. And
I have 3 more exams to finish.
3 more exam to finish. Si Nancy, and ano na siya, graduation na siya. And yun. Makapag-vlog na tayo more kasi less busy na. No? Oh, right. Sige guys, good night and thank you very much for watching. Ano lang to, quick update lang and just to show you the beach. Our first time beaching. Good night and thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.